my name's Brooke with WTI. I'd like to show you this portable camping stove. And what's so awesome about this one in particular is it self-ignites. You can see that button there. You press it there. There's a little spark. I don't know if you can see it. I can see a very small microscopic spark right there onto the flame. You'll just twist this onto your fuel and it holds the pot really well. And all you do is you take that there and you open this up so you can put your cooking pot on top and it clicks into place. And these, they bend up so you can set your pot on that. The fire comes out really great. And you can turn this right here for more or less fuel. And your food can be turned hotter or cook quicker or cook slower. I used it camping and I noticed that we were in 14-degree temperature. That was the low and it still worked. So it's something you can count on. And it's something that it goes so nicely into your backpack. It weighs less than half a pound. It's like 0.24 pounds. And it's something you can put in your backpack, you can travel with, and you can put it like so. And it comes with this really cool case, and you just drop it in here. You close that up, push that there, and then you drop it in here, and it's super cute, super efficient, works wonderful. So what a great stove, and that's my point of view.